Guys, before this video starts, I just want to say that I'm sorry. My life has been so crazy recently that I literally have not had time to make a video, and I'm finally starting to get back to the swing of things, even though it's my worst favorite time of the year. It's super cold out, it's daylight savings. It's dark outside at like 4 o'clock. By the time I'm home from work, it's pitch black. With that being said, it makes filming videos for you guys extremely difficult in my situation. Today, we brought the project inside. We are wrapping some interior trim pieces. We have this one side, it's the other side, and then we have like the shift boot bezel. Should be kind of easy. It doesn't look that hard, honestly. With the carbon fiber to match all the black interior, it should look really nice. So cue the time lapse. Install these pieces now. I'll show you guys if you wanted to know how to take them off. I'll show you the opposite way of how to put them in. So if you want to do this to your car, you can, and I'll show you how. It's very simple. You usually have this piece, like the shift boot bezel piece on, and then when you take it off, it exposes these. So they actually hold these side pieces in. I just put them there so I wouldn't lose them. So we're going to take these out now. It literally just snaps in. I'm going to use 2 hands. That's literally it. It just pulls right in. So as you can see, the both side pieces they just snap in. They're just held up by push close. When you take this out, just work your way from the bottom. I worked my way from the bottom when I just pulled it out slowly as I went. This way you just don't break anything. So now those 2 screws, we'll just put the screws back in, and then these are done. And then all we gotta do is put the other piece in. All we gotta do is snap this piece back in. So don't forget to plug in your light here and your cigarette lighter. One hand is kind of hard. This just snaps in as well. Line up your top. And there you go, guys. We have a carbon fiber wrapped interior now. It looks really good, actually. I thought it was gonna look not as good. Everything still opens and functions normally. Super simple. Originally I was gonna wrap this in 2 separate pieces. I just did 1 piece, cut this out, and it seemed to work out fine. So works good. Now I am super excited to do something with this. Now this is an Accessport. Most of you Subaru guys should have an Accessport. If you don't have one, get one because they're amazing. This is an Accessport holder, and there's a guy who 3D prints these. He actually makes these, and I will leave all his information down below. Alright guys, so this guy's name is Adam Maloney. Adam Maloney. If I'm messing up your name, I apologize, but this guy makes these really cool Accessport mounts, and what happens is that makes it really unique is for the Legacy GT, we have a defroster mount to the left. I'll show you guys in a second, but we have a defroster mount. And this, as you can see, it retains the original defroster while adding an Accessport mount. And he also makes things like this that have like gauges. You can get dual pod gauges, you can get 3-pod gauges with the Accessport mount. And it's super sleek. It looks really nice. I haven't installed it yet. I'm gonna install it now. Usually I have my Accessport mounted in this little ghetto phone holder. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop this out. It just pops out. Just put a little screwdriver under there. And this pops right out. I can get it to snap in here. Hold on, I need 2 hands. So this is it. It pops into your OEM, we'll take this out. Pops into your OEM defroster right here. It's pretty sick. It's very flush. It looks like OEM. You can still use a defroster. Take your Accessport, back plate that it comes with, and you just slide it on here. And then your Accessport literally just snaps in, because if you didn't know, the back of your Accessport is magnetic. This is actually magnetic too. So when you go for a drive, you can just snap it right in. Boom, you're done. And so there you go. So you got your defroster, still functional, still got the holes. You got your Accessport mounted. I can now finally have use of this vent once again. But yeah, pretty sick. So we got that installed. We got the wrap done. Everything looks really cool, guys. I'm pretty happy on the way the interior came together. Pretty happy. Alright guys, so that's basically going to wrap it up for the video. I'm sorry for being MIA for the past, I think month or so actually. It's kind of been a while since I really put out a vlog style install kind of video. I'm trying to get back into the swing of things. It's been really cold. It's been really crappy. It's really rainy and crappy and cold out right now. So it kind of makes making videos really hard, but I'm going to keep going and I'm going to keep trying to get videos out for you guys. That's all I got for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And if you got any questions, leave a comment. And I will see you guys in the next one.